Hey everyone! In this video, I want to show you exactly how to add a custom wallpaper or watch face to your smartwatch. This tutorial works for practically any Chinese smartwatch, regardless of the application your device uses. Let's get right into it. First, make sure both Bluetooth and GPS are turned on your cell phone. Next, find the icon of the app your smartwatch uses, press and hold it for a few seconds and select App Info. In the settings window that opens, go to Permissions and verify that you have enabled location, nearby devices, and photos or videos. This last permission is the absolute key to transferring a photo from your phone's gallery to your smartwatch. Now open the application. If your watch isn't connected yet, we need to pair it. Go to the Settings tab and look for the Bind Device or Connect option. If for some reason your watch doesn't show up in the search list, simply go to your watch's settings, choose Factory Reset or Restart, and repeat the connection process. Once your watch is successfully connected, look for an option named Watch Face, Dial, Wallpaper, or something similar. Enter that section and look for a tab that says Custom or Edit. Tap on Select Image or Open Gallery, which will open your phone's photo library. Choose the photo you like best, adjust it to fit the screen, tap Accept, and hit Install. An important warning for this step: always make sure your smartwatch is fully charged before starting the transfer. If the watch runs out of battery during the installation, it can turn off and completely brick the device. And that's it. Your smartwatch now has a completely personalized background. If this video was helpful to you, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Huge shout out to everyone, and see you in the next video.